Hey, good morning. It's Dr. James. I hope you're off to a beautiful start today. It's so wonderful to see you. Thank you for your time and thank you for your energy. And today's message is deeply spiritual. It is based in science. It is what I believe that you and I are here to do every single day. And I humbly say I wanted to create over 4 years ago when I started this whole treehouse experience. I said, you know what? I want to find out where the cool kids are sitting. So I built a treehouse and I sat here and I started doing videos. And we got one view, and then we got 4 views. And we got a couple hundred people, and now we've got literally over 15,000 people. We get thousands of views a day. And it's not about that. But what I believe that is a testimonial to is that more and more people are feeling what I'm feeling. I'm looking for the cool kids. I'm looking for the kids who are not afraid to love out loud. I'm looking for a place to be authentic and vulnerable and open. And I'm looking for a place that we can all heal and call home. So welcome home. I want to say that again today. And I want to share with you an amazing study that really underscores and illustrates what we're doing here every single day. And this is for you. This is for me. This is a reminder for all of us to do something heroic with our hearts today. And this is based on research coming out of the Pacific Heart Institute. And they have been studying people who have had a heart attack. And these people have been fortunate enough after their heart attack to still be on the planet and have an opportunity to go into therapy. And not just your average therapy. This isn't, exercise, yes, and possibly medications and things like that. But more importantly, they've been going into talk therapy, community building. And what they've been finding out, you're going to find this absolutely amazing. So they actually, when they were doing this talk therapy, these people who are in the recovery space after a heart attack, they actually are listening to their conversations. So these people get together every week and they talk about what's going on in their life. And here's what they found out. They found out that the people who are using the first person pronoun, I and me, more often than we and us. They found out the I's and the me's were much more likely, in fact, threefold more likely that they were going to have another heart attack. Think about that. The ones who are all about I and me and how that registers to our hearts. When we're thinking about ourselves, when we're prioritizing ourselves in such a way that our ego precedes us and we separate ourselves from others, we are more likely to have another heart attack if we've already had one previous. But the people who used we, the people who are thinking about us, the ones who are coming more from a global perspective, a community building perspective, those were the people who were least likely to have another heart attack. So, there's so much that we can learn about this today. How often do we go into the world and it's me versus them, it's I, and you know what, I'm going to get mine, and wow. Look at the world right now. There are leaders who are so me and I, and there are others who are about we and us. And we and us create circulation. Yes, at the heart level, we're less likely to have a heart episode. We're less likely to suffer a heart attack. But if we are more likely to create a community, and we are more likely to be thriving longer and stronger and living what love looks like when it wins, we have to think about we, and we got to come from us, and we not only going to heal here, we're going to heal out there. That is why we are here. We are here. This is about us. And this experience called community is a healing opportunity, not just for our hearts, but for all of us. So let's think about what we're going to do today. How will you go out in the world and will you think bigger than yourselves? And how will you express something more heroic than just yourself? This is a beautiful opportunity to remind your heart in the world what it looks like to be fully awake, fully alive, and on fire with purpose and passion. Our purpose is to circulate. Our purpose is to heal. There is more room here at the cool kids table. The cool kids are all about love and circulating it with abandon. Much love. Every blessing. Have a beautiful day. Bye for now.